Colour Wow Dream Coat, I want to share with you how I use it, because I do believe that quite a few people are using it wrong and they're not seeing the results that they expect. So I have very naturally curly, quite wild hair. And the weather here in the UK has been a bit sort of changeable over the last 2 to 3 weeks in particular. I wash my hair about every 4 to 5 days. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to go more straight, more sleek, because it's easier to manage and control. So I thought, right, time to get the Dream Coat out. And my friend said, oh, how do you get your hair like that? I explained it to her and she said, well, why doesn't mine turn out like that? And I thought, that's strange, because if it can work on my hair, it can basically work on anybody's. And she showed me. She literally just went, psh, psh, psh. And that was it. And she expected it to work. No, you have to section each section off and use it. You will wash your hair, you will condition your hair, and you will towel dry your hair. Now, my hair is pretty porous. It loves to hold on to the wet. So I do just rough blow dry my hair to around about 80% dry. Then I will go in and use this product. I will section, as I say, each part off. And I have got a damp part here to demonstrate to you. So I've just wet my hair here, as you can see. I'll just give it a quick brush through. And this is how you will use this product. You will go right from the root. Yes, it's a lot of product. Some people are being a little bit tight with it. But what you have to remember is this lasts you around about 3 to 4 washes. This is my third wash. And as I say, I wash mine every 4 to 5 days. Look at it. I just wash, conditioned, blow dry it, and it still stays like this. So this is just showing you how to use it. But I will take my hairbrush, I will take my hairdryer, and then you will use heat. So there we have it. That is the finish. Glossy, nice, no additional product, and also no hair straighteners have been used. This is it. You have to be generous with this product. You really, really do. And then you will see the results. And if, like me, you have been caught in all manner of weather over this last week or two, you will find your hair easy to get back to a decent state. It's really good as well abroad, but fabulous for holiday. Fabulous. And it doesn't matter whether you've got thick hair, whether you've got fine hair or whatever. If it has that frizzy texture, if it has that capacity to go a bit coarse, like mine does, this is an amazing product. But be generous. That is my absolute top tip.